kid or a person.
His name's Brian.
No. Well, this person commented in our video saying we should do a burping video, which is a little weird, but I can't make myself burp, but she can. So we're gonna be drinking ice,
Sparkling ice.
kiwi strawberry.
It's really good. And eating salsa and chips because we haven't eaten today and we're super hungry.
I ate.
Oh, so bad, but I ate cereal. Okay, hold on. They're super good. Here, one bite. Too bad. Okay.
Brian. I got them up my nose.
I don't think I can burp today. Never mind, I lied.
I keep missing my mouth.
I just peed a little. Just kidding. It's super cold.
I'm eating gum. I can't make myself burp. I did. I can't make myself burp. Jeez.
I can see you breathe in. Jesus, making my eyes water. This video might be like 5 minutes long, so.
I'm almost done. That's nasty.
Are you backing up?
Brian. Come towards us.
Look how scary looking now. Get away.
Alright. I've only burped twice.
I burped a bunch. That was a good one. Okay, I'm not going to be able to burp until I finish this whole thing. Okay?
This is exactly alike.
I got to burp. I don't have to burp anymore. It's coming up. You're supposed to save her, but Cut. Alright, so if you have any other videos that you want us to do, we would be more than happy to do them all today. So just subscribe right down there, and we will do whatever you want.
I can't burp.
Except strip. We could probably have a farting contest next. So, take this chip and shove it up your butt.